Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the leg bones. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so firstly we're going to begin with a circle and an oval for the top portion. And then next we'll draw a rectangle for the bottom portion. And then from here we can connect all three shapes together, giving us the femur bone. For the next step, we'll add a circle which will represent the patella and an additional circle on the right. Next up, we'll add two lines that extrude down from the patella, which will form the tibia bone. And then from here, we'll start to extrude also from the second circle, which will form the fibula bone. Excuse me, the fibula bone. And also as a side note, keep in mind that the tibia bone will always be larger in width than the fibula bone. And then lastly, we can go back and merge our shapes together to form the overall leg bones. For the next view, we'll do a side profile, so we'll begin with a circle and then extrude two lines downward to form the femur bone once again, while also adding a cylinder and merging it together on the bottom. Next we'll add the patella, which will sit on the left, and then an additional circle on the bottom right of the femur bone. And then from here we can just start to extrude our lines downward to form both the tibia and fibula bones. Lastly is going to be our back view, so we'll begin again with a circle and an oval for the top portion, along with a rectangle for the bottom portion. And as we did before in our first view, we'll start to connect all three shapes together, giving us our femur bone. Next, we'll add two circles that sit within the rectangle and merge it together with our previous lines. And then from here we'll add an oval for the top of the tibia bone and then an additional circle on the left for the fibula bone. And then lastly, we can go back to flesh out any areas where needed and then form our overall bones. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care everyone.